Drop columns contains certain strings while reading data, Python. I'm reading text files in a directory and want to drop columns that contain some certain string. When I do this, I'm getting df equals pd.read_csv file, header equals 0, skipbrowse equals 0, skipfooter equals 0, usecalls equals I for I greater than and calls if I.str. contains pass equals true attribute error, str object has no attribute str. Which part I need TP fix I could not figured it out. Select columns based on columns names containing a specific string in pandas. Drop column based on a string condition. Attribute error, str object has no attribute str. Drop multiple columns that end with certain string in pandas.
Without reading the header separately, you would pass a callable to usecalls. Check whether easy or trivial are not in the column name. Sample data test.csv.
Few issues in your code. First, you are using str.contains on the whole data frame, not the columns. Secondly, the str contains cannot be used on a list. Using regex.